Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Okoyemi, and I'm here to just share this quick slot for a registered nurse. Tier 2 visa sponsorship is available. This job position is posted 5 days ago. So I want to believe that to an extent, you can be lucky to still, be chosen for this. I don't want you to overlook this. I tell people that you don't overlook things like this. Let me quickly share a very short story. When I was applying for my job, I applied for my home country. I am from Nigeria. When I applied for my job, I know I am not the only one who applied for that job. Yes, I know I am not the only one. In fact, the person who sent me the link also said she sent to somebody else and the person wasn't chosen. Now, not because of any of that. It could be based on qualification. It could be based on experience. It could be based on CV. It could be based on anything. It could be even based on grace. You know, a lot of things could be attached to selection. So that I said that not to make you feel like okay, it's 5 days ago. This was posted. Somebody would have been somebody would have put in for it, and maybe the person somebody has gotten it. I put this to you. Give it a try, especially if you fall into the category of those who are qualified. Let me just go through this. And you can see this is from a RGH Global Limited. Are you a dedicated and caring NMC registered nurse aspiring to make a difference in the UK? We are on the lookout for a passionate nurse to become an integral part of our client team. Now it says if you're currently based in the UK and seeking a fresh start, we offer tier 2 sponsorship for qualified candidates considering a switch of employer. Switch of employer. This indirectly or directly means that this is for somebody who's in the UK already. So if you can leave your home country, find your way to the UK or by yourself, it's all fine. But this is based in the UK and seeking a fresh start. We offer tier 2 sponsorship for qualified candidates considering a switch of employment. You must be in the UK and working in a nursing home as a nurse and currently on the health and care visa has only an undefined COS is available. So only undefined COS is available. So for impactful responsibilities, these are what is required. These are all that is required. So please, if you fall into all these categories, just apply as the application link will be attached to the comment section of this video. So I'm going to encourage you to show your qualifications now. Active NMC registration as a nurse with a valid PIN. Previous experience within care homes or equivalent setting. Proficiency in clinical skills grounded in nursing best practices. Effective communication, fostering strong interpersonal connections. Adaptability to function independently and as a valued team player. Compassionate and patient-centric approach to delivering care. Eligibility for tier 2 sponsorship. So this is all it's about. Okay, £19.50 per hour. So room for growth, sponsorship available. Just apply for this job, and you're gonna see that the comment section. Please, if you know people in this category that are good to accept this, you have somebody in the UK that registered nurse wants to change their job, wants to change their employer, and all of that. This is a COS available for someone who wants to switch work. So, guys, if you have any one of them, please just share this to them. And I wish everyone best of luck. Thank you and see you later.